Now today we're gonna show you the Note 5 and the S7 Edge. It applies to the Samsung Galaxy devices, especially the S7. I don't know if the S6 has it, but the other day I was looking for the smart switch that is on the S7 Edge, and I could not find the smart switch. And so I went to the Play Store. Okay, let me okay, it's not showing it here on the Play Store. So I went to the Samsung store. Let's see, where is it? The Galaxy app. I click on it. Click search. Smart switch. It says it's in store. And I tried to open it. I could not. So I was puzzled as to, well, I got an S7 Edge and I wanted to transfer my stuff that is from my S5 or Note 5, over to the S7. How do I do it? I mean, if you from my I'm sorry. If I go to see right here, the smart switch is right on. So if you guys have the same problem like me, this is what you do. You go to setting, scroll down to backup and reset, and then you go to open smart switch, and there you have it. Then you will be able to transfer between the devices. So I think Samsung did something with the S7 and S7 Edge where the smart switch is in there, but you have to go to backups, factory reset area where you'll be able to open up the smart switch. So for anyone who is wondering where it is at, that's where you find it. All right.